Welcome guys, nandito tayo sa first off-road meet ng P-Loves Vegas. Kasama natin today si Kuya Mac.
Hi guys.
Si Mac, si Kuya Mac ang head ng Autocraft LV Off-Road. So nung pumunta si Jack dito, kung nakikita nyo sa video niya, yung 4Runner na gamit ni Jack, siya yung may-ari nun. Tapos sa akin yung FJ. So doon nag-start yung idea ni Jack na
Branch out or
na gumawa tayo na at least ng Vegas chapter.
Vegas chapter.
Nung nag-meet kami dito, pumunta sila, yun nga, naumpisa yung idea na yun. So ngayon, ito yung first meet natin. Okay naman, so far. Meron tayong mga, magandang turnout.
Hopefully next meet is trail meet na. Para makaupak tayo ng konti.
Yep. So ngayon, habang nandito tayo, pakita na rin natin yung rig ni Kuya Mac, yung 4Runner na ginamit nila Boss Jack. So tara!
Let's go!
So Kuyang, so anong year yung 4Runner mo?
So yung rig natin is 2014.
2014.
4Runner SR5.
SR5, okay. So, pakita mo sa amin yung setup mo dito.
Sige, start tayo sa taas. So, Prinsu na roof rack. Tapos, overland vehicle system na 270 na awning. Tapos, dito sa harap, budget meal na light bar. Amazon light bar na 12 pieces na
Pero
na
lakas
pads.
din yan, lakas din yan.
Malakas din.
Yeah.
It does the job. Pero yun yung route na pinili natin instead na dun sa mga medyo high-end. Labindalawa tayo na medyo low-end. Pero okay naman, so far, 2 years, lahat gumagana pa. So, goods tayo dyan. Tapos, itong TJM snorkels natin, TJM siya. Okay naman. Gusto ko kasi medyo slick tong design na to eh. Parang low profile
lang.
na design eh. Kaya ito yung napili natin na snorkel. Tapos,
Itong armor mo, side.
itong sliders, gawa ni RP Engineering ni Kuya Vincent. So,
Okay.
parang
Custom. Okay.
tong natin. So far, hindi pa naman natin na-testing, pero matibay naman yan. Tapos, sa harap, worn na bumper. Yung gitna lang.
Okay.
Hindi siya full.
Yes.
Tapos meron tayong winch dito na worn din.
Worn.
Evo 10S na winch. Tas
Ano yung fog lights mo, Kuya?
itong pag lights, ito lang dito tayo hindi nagtipid kasi medyo ginagamit natin sa gabi, sa daily. So baha tong fog lights natin. Baha na squadron. So comms, GME, galing kay Kuya Ninyo, GME na antenna. So far, good naman siya.
Wheels and tires, Kuya.
Wheels and tires, yan. So, T37s na Bok Racing na wheels.
Yayamanin.
Hindi, ito lang talaga hindi ko tinipid kasi gusto ko talaga yung wheels na to. Tapos, KO2s na 315s. Tapos, suspension, Bilstein 6112, 5160 likod. UCA Icon.
Yeah.
So, yun lang, basic build na nagagamit.
So, papakita ko lang sa inyo. So, TE37, I'm pretty sure alam nyo kung magkano to, di ba? Pero tingnan nyo. Pinambabarag lang yan, di ba? Lahat yan meron ng ganyan. May battle scars yan. So,
ang ko dyan is, bayad ka ng malaki, gamitin mo.
yeah.
Di ba? So, gamitin natin. Yun. Tapos itong ating air up system, gawa rin ni Kuya Ninyo to. Compressor dito, so yung pag air up dito sabay-sabay din. Apat na gulong one time. So, pero yung compressor natin is lang, China lang din tong compressor natin. So far, gumagana naman siya, okay naman. Yun lang, ang ating rig. Simpleng build lang talaga.
So, isa rin to. Makikita nyo, oh. Ayan, oh.
Madumi.
Alam na tinetrail, di ba?
Madumi.
Pero minsan nag-engine wash din kami. Hindi lang madalas kasi lagi
Dudumihan
kasi
din naman kasi.
nag-offroad. Yeah.
So far, okay naman. Lang, simpleng build lang talaga na nagagamit. Pan-daily rin kasi to. So far. So, yun.
Okay. So, thank you, Kuyang Mac,
Thank you,
for
Kuya.
showing us your rig. I'm sure na-appreciate ng mga taga-Pinas yan na yung mga itong 4Runner na rig na nakikita nila kasi Meron na ba sa atin o wala pa?
Import.
Import, okay.
Pretty
so
sure
yung mga-
meron doon pero import.
Yeah, so
Hindi
yung mga
walang
nag-import.
local release.
At least meron kayong idea kung paano nyo isi-set up. Nakita nyo yung paano sinet up yung rig niya.
Yung
Same thing,
sagad din yung kay
Yeah.
Mr. Joe. Yeah.
same thing ito kay Kuya Mac. Kung paano niya sinet up. At least may idea kayo.
Thank you.
Thank you,
guys.
Kuya.
Thank you.
Kaka-install lang natin ng PhilOffs logo sa the only non-Filipino member ng PhilOffs Vegas, Mr. Joe, with his 2001 or 2002 Forerunner?
2022.
2022 Forerunner. Alright, so Kuya, how long you have this this rig?
7 months.
7 months. Oh, by the way, so the first month of owning this rig, he fixed everything already. Took you what? 2 weeks. 2 weeks to set it up like this and plus the rest. So go ahead, Kuya. Let's start from top to bottom. So show us what you have in your awesome rig.
So first is the CVT rooftop tent. It's a double channel, so it allows me to hold all my bedding and sleeping materials inside. So that's a good thing. Next is the off-road strobe light. As we run in the desert, it's needed because you can't really see the vehicle in front of you due to all the dust. Of course, we have the ladder.
Yeah, you need that. Especially for my height. You need ladder to access the rooftop tent. More stuff in here.
So inside we have Molly panels on the driver and passenger side. So when we go out camping, the main thing I do is just put like Plano cases in with all the camping gear. So when I don't need it, I can just pull it back out. Much easier than doing a drawer system.
Oh, check this out. This is really necessary when you go off-road and
Hey.
camping.
Hey, you gotta have your paper towels and
There
you
you
got,
go.
and over on the passenger side is the toilet paper
Oh, look, you got
and your wet wipes.
wet wipes too.
But seriously, the one thing you do need is a first aid kit. So if you don't have one, make sure you get one.
The front part suspension, what do you have for?
So in order to run 35s on a Forerunner, you have to run a UCA, right, which is an upper control arm. And you also have to have a body mount chop
Oh, so you have to chop. Oh, because you have 35s.
because you have 35s.
Okay.
If you're running 33s, you can get away with it to where you don't have to do the BMC. But if you're running 35s, you have to do the BMC.
Okay. Then what brand do you have for UCA?
They're Icon Dynamics.
Nice. Nice. Front armor here.
So that's a CBI stealth bumper with a Warren winch. So that's a Warren 10S.
Is that the Evo?
Yeah.
Warren Evo. Okay. Oh, there you go. Oh, nice.
So if you don't know, the Forerunner doesn't come with any lights at all under the hood.
Under the
So
hood, yes.
I put some Cyclone lights under the hood. And this is my air system. And what it does is it allows me to air up and air down all 4 tires at one time.
Okay. So that's on board.
Onboard air.
Very nice. And that's ARB, right?
That's it. That's ARB, yeah.
Okay.
And sorry, it's pretty dirty.
Well, no, that's good. At least we can see that you're using it. You're bringing it off-road.
Here on the side, still at the top, we're at a 270 plus OVS awning. So it stretches across the back and all the way across the front.
Another CVT item right here.
So that's a CVT shower. Basically, it's a changing room and shower room all in one.
Okay.
Basically, it's a privacy tent kind
yeah,
of thing.
Yeah.
So,
you can have a toilet here too.
so you can have a toilet right there.
Yes.
And it's adjustable to where you can raise it up to take a shower or lower it down to go to the bathroom.
So what color is this one specifically?
Lunar Rock.
Lunar Rock. Okay. Stickers right here. This pretty much are the brands that
That's
on your
all the
rig
different
right now.
all the different brands. So that's, for lack of a better word, that's the roll call of the truck. Other than it does have the CVC
tuning. Yeah. Did it make a big difference
A world of difference.
with gas mileage too? Gas
Yeah.
consumption.
So on the highway, I can get about 15 miles to the gallon. In the city, I'm around 13. Where before the tune, I was at 10, 11.
Maybe the viewers are wondering how were a non-Filipino got joined in this club or a group of people.
Well, I believe that good people attract good people. you
Okay.
know? So it was, we just went off-road a couple times.
Yeah.
And then, we got along real good. We helped each other out. And, luckily enough, you introduced me to a bunch more people, and, which happened to be a whole bunch of good guys. And,
Yeah.
one thing led to another,
So you're liking it so far.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Except for all the Tagalog. But it's increasing my Tagalog knowledge,
Yeah.
All right, so up top we have an ICS mount that has all Bullet Solutions mounting points on it. Yep, so all you gotta do, it adjusts for any phone, just pull it to the side, let it go.
Oh, and this doesn't move at all when you're
Nope,
off-roading.
not at all.
Oh, yeah.
And this is for the tablet,
For your
So-
navigation.
yeah, and then you put that in for extra navigation, so when you're using like Onyx off-road or Gaia Maps or anything like that, I put it up there. This is standard Toyota head unit. And then here, I mounted a remote connection for the radio. So I don't have to have the cable stretched across the front of the vehicle. And this is normally a open slot anyway. So that was absolutely easy to modify and put a connection in. The radios over here are GMRS, FRS, UHF, and VHF. So basically I have all the communications that are allowed in the States. And then I also have a handheld radio. This is nothing special, it's a Baofeng radio, but it allows that the spotter, whoever it is spotting you, it allows them to talk to you while you have an onboard radio and they have a handheld. So that way, hand signals and yelling isn't
Yeah.
isn't the key, right?
Yeah. And as you can see, everything is organized, right? Because he's OCD.
I am a little OCD.
Everything is clean. I mean, don't get me wrong, he takes this rig off-road, hard off-road. But as you can see, it's very clean. So how do you do this? You clean it once you get home?
Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much.
So there you have it, guys. Again, this is Mr. Joe. Thank you for showing us your rig, and I hope you guys learned something about the 4Runners. You got anything to say?
No, just keep all four on the ground. That's about it.
There you go. Well, thank you guys. My English is running out, so we're gonna look for a different rig, Filipino rig.
Peace.
Thank you. Bro Marvin, siya naman ang head ng Vegas Pinoy Overland. Kasama rin natin siya sa peel-offs. And then, papakita sa atin yung rig niya dito sa US, GX
470.
470. Sa Pilipinas, Prado.
Prado
Diba?
120, yeah.
Prado 120. So, go ahead, pakita mo sa amin yung mga nagawa mo dito sa rig mo. Start natin from top, pababa. Tapos, kung meron ka sa loob.
Kunin natin is Ironman 4x4. And then, meron tayong molly panel sa loob. And yung rims natin is Falcon off-road. Yung tires is Kenda 285 7017, which is 33.
All-terrain yan or mud?
Rugged terrain.
Rugged terrain.
RT.
RT,
So, in
okay,
between
okay.
ng all-terrain tsaka mud terrain.
Mhm. Tapos meron kang ano dito, oh.
Tapos ito, shoutout sa Rough USA. Galing Pilipinas pa yan.
Si Ralph.
Si Ralph ang
supplier dito.
supplier dito.
Yeah.
And then, tire carrier natin is from JW. Same as yung roof rack, JW din.
So ang mga GX, walang tire carrier?
Wala. I think sa yung Prado, I think meron eh.
Okay.
So dito, wala silang everything is custom. Harap naman tayo.
Oh,
Yung ditch light natin is from Baja XL Sport na amber. Then ito yung antenna natin for the radio.
Stabby lang, maliit lang.
Stabil
no?
lang, yeah. Pero pretty good naman yung signal.
Yeah.
Then this one is from Alpha Garage. Custom na rin tong grill natin. And then just pretty much basic stuff for now.
Ilang years mo nang rig to?
Binili ko to January 2020.
Mhm.
So before pandemic, na mura pa siya.
Pero meron ka din isang rig
Meron
pa na binubuo,
yung
di ba?
kay Mrs. naman is 460 rin. Yan, naka-set up na rin ng konti, pero hindi pa tapos. Marami pang
Okay.
kailangan gawin.
So naka-snorkel ka na
Tapos
rin.
yung snorkel natin, same thing from Ironman, 4x4. Yung Rotopacks para sa mga tubig.
Okay. Patingin ito medyo unique to eh. Itong mount mo ng Rotopax dito. So ito, tubig siya dahil white siya, di ba?
Yeah, tubig siya.
Okay.
So, tas yung molly panel niya rito is from JW rin. So,
Ayos.
pretty much yung roof rack, the molly panel, tsaka yung tire carrier galing JW.
Okay. Yun guys,
And that's it.
so ito yung rig ni Marwin. Siya yung head ng Vegas Pinoy Overland. Kasama ka namin nung nag-yuta tayo nila Boss Jack, di
nila
ba?
Boss Jack.
So nakasama rin siya ni Boss Jack doon. And abangan nyo yung isa niyang rig na binubuo din yun. Medyo bigat din ang setup nun.
Hindi
Thank
ka
you.
sa bulsa.
Thank you bro, thank you. Follow nyo yung Instagram niya.
Oh yeah, Mar_Jigsaw tsaka Vegas Pinoy Overland sa Instagram.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you guys for watching sa unang meet ng Phil-Ops Vegas. Next time, magkikita tayo sa trail. Mga adventure namin, i-video din namin para makita nyo kung paano yung trail namin dito sa US. And then, pag bumisita tayo dito, message lang kayo, ilalabas namin kayo.
dito. Yep.
Kaming bahala sa inyo. Follow nyo yung channel ni Kuya Mac.
Omar TV, like kayo doon, subscribe kayo doon para ma-update kayo sa mga pinaggagawa namin dito sa kung nasan tayo ngayon. Alright,
Alright, bye guys.
thank you.
Thank you.